Welcome. Today I'll walk you through my 2026 Money Reset, a practical plan to get your finances organized, calm, and moving toward your goals. First, a quick 2025 recap. I logged income, tracked expenses, and flagged big leaks, subscriptions, dining out, and fluctuating utility spikes. I compare monthly averages to identify patterns. Visuals show where money consistently leaves and highlight one-off versus recurring costs. Highlight numbers matter. Total income, total expenses, and savings rate are the three baseline metrics I track every month. I also note emotional spending triggers and seasonal shifts so the reset addresses behavior, not just spreadsheets. Quick takeaway: know your baseline. Pause, gather 3 months of statements, and highlight recurring charges before we set new goals. Step 2. Set clear, measurable goals. I break goals into 3 buckets: short-term, mid-term, and long-term. Short-term could be a 3 to 6 month cash buffer. Mid-term might be a vacation or debt payoff plan. Long-term is retirement or house down payment. Assign a dollar target and deadline to every goal so progress is measurable. I recommend 1 primary goal and 2 supporting goals. Focus keeps momentum steady and spending choices simpler. Create visual trackers, progress bars, or simple graphs. They make saving feel tangible and motivate consistent action. Action item: write your 3 goals now, assign dollar targets and deadlines, and commit 1 monthly review session. Next, cut expenses. Start with low-friction wins that free up cash quickly without feeling deprived. Audit subscriptions. List every recurring charge, then cancel duplicates or unused services. Small monthly savings compound fast. Trim utilities and groceries with simple swaps, thermostat adjustments, meal planning, bulk buys, and price comparison apps. Negotiate bills where possible. Call providers or use online tools to lower rates on internet, insurance, and credit cards. Set a weekly check for impulse purchases and add a 48-hour rule for non-essential buys. Time reduces buyer's remorse. Action items: cancel 3 unused subscriptions, lower 1 recurring bill, and set a weekly spending check on your calendar. Now the emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of essential expenses, then build toward 6 months when possible. Calculate your monthly essentials: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Multiply by 3 to get a target. Use a separate account with easy transfers but slightly limited access to avoid temptation. Treat it like untouchable runway money. Fund it fast with one-time boosts, tax refunds, side gig income, or a planned small windfall. If debt interest is high, balance contributions between emergency savings and high-interest payments. Protect liquidity without ignoring rates. Action items: calculate your 3-month essentials, open a separate savings account, and set 1 automatic weekly transfer to that fund. Automation is the final step. Automating savings removes decision friction and makes progress consistent without daily effort. Set up 3 automations: paycheck split to savings, recurring emergency fund transfer, and automated investment or debt payment. Use apps that round up purchases to save spare change and funnel it into your goals. Small habits compound over time. Monthly review. Schedule a 20-minute session to check progress, update numbers, and adjust goals as life changes. Final checklist: 3 months of statements reviewed, 3 goals set, 3 subscriptions canceled, emergency funds started, automations in place. If this reset helped, subscribe for more practical finance walkthroughs and save this video to reference your 2026 action plan. Let's glow up your money.